Next she's called NYX. It's a Mac OS like theme. Next she's called Multipla Power to your dock. Then she's called Non-Set 143, an app that sets a generator and it gets the app nonce. So, compared with iOS 12, 13, and 14. So from cover of iOS 14, it is necessary to install version 6.1.0 or higher and libkrw 1.1.0 or higher. This is called Data Logo Switcher. Change your 3G, 4G, LTE, 5G logo. Supports iOS 7 to 14. Next is called Alipay Steps. Alipay Customized Steps Digital. Next is called Delete Cut. Delete word mode while holding Shift. So delete code will allow you to enter delete backward word mode while holding Shift key. Configure options from settings. Supports iOS 8 to 14. Next is called Anatomy. And it's a best theme engine for your iOS device. So it's like a snowball alternative. Next is called Etsnon and a tweak that makes it easy to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. So go to changelog. Supports iOS 12.2 to 14.4, I believe. Fits the cause of repeated crashing. Update URLs in the preference to point at the new GitHub repository URL. Yeah, supports iOS 12 to 14.4. Then she's called Icon Support, and it's a package used for extensions to modify our springboard layouts icons. She's called Agent Camera, using secret camera without anyone noticing. So you could use your camera, and nobody would notice. And she's called Pencil Charging Indicator, and makes charging less boring with the Apple Pencil charging animation from the iPad Pro 2018. She's called Icon State, preserve custom icon layouts between reboots. She's called Jellyfish, modernize your lock screen, supports iOS 13 to 14.3. She's called Default Player, or Default Player Pro, enables you to choose your default music player on the iOS platform. Next she's called New Grid Switcher, and tweak to enable a native grid switcher on all devices, iOS 11 and iOS 12. Next she's called New Grid Switcher Big, and a grid switcher with big cards. She's called Crash. It's a modern crash reporter for iOS, so it tries to help you indicate exactly or identify what's making the app crash. So she's called Chat Heads, and it gives you the Chat Heads feature, like iOS 14, that Chat Heads feature. She's called Pullover Pro. It's a multitasking tweak. It allows you to pull over, so your screenshots of what it looks like. So you see you can pull over and you could multitask your app switcher. So you see on the side you have right there. So you can just pull over and then choose exactly. It's just a multitasking, like when you switch between your apps. It's just a tweak that does that. So you can see pull over from the side, and you could just easily access the other pages you have open, I think. So you also can customize it from the settings. It's called Spear. Multitasking at its best with Spear allows you to run your recent apps on top of others by creating little bubbles after an app launch, which you can tap to reveal the corresponding app, and you form an overlay that takes up about 80% of your screen. That's what it looks like. Next she's called What to Sue Tools, a library for What to Sue and WhatsApp tweets. Next she's called Sleepy Time, displays the time until alarms in the stock iOS clock app. And the last tweet is called Sits LS, which is lock screen, supports iOS 11 through 14, brings the classic look of the iOS Sits to your lock screen. So you can slide to unlock, that old slide to unlock for iOS Sits. You bring that back to your iOS 11 through 14 device. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.